Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing this right here, BoxyCharm's base box. It has finally arrived. If you don't already know, this is a $25 per month box, which is valued to have over $120 worth of products, something like that. I don't know, but we're gonna go ahead and dig right into it. This is the inside of the box. Now, I've heard rumors that this month is supposed to have repeat items. Not everybody's thrilled about what they're getting, but we'll see what I got. All right, so first off, there is this card from BB Cream SPF 30. I guess this, I don't know what this is. It's an information card. I guess that's what it is. So I'm guessing that is in my box. All the details there, so that's my guess. It says it's in shade Fair, so I'm pretty sure this is an information card. All right, so this is the other card that's in the box. So this is the theme for June, and of course on the back side it has the products and the information and the price. And yeah, so first thing we got is the Perlice Perfect Glow BB Cream in SPF 30. So let me see what's it say about this. It says complexion perfection for a generous matte meets dewy finish. This multitasking beauty balm glides on like a tinted moisturizer with all the age-defying coverage, sunscreen benefits of a foundation and BB cream. I was actually needing a sunscreen foundation, so I'm actually kind of happy about that. Let's see how well it matches. Okay, so this is it on the skin. It seems like it's going to match pretty well, so let's go ahead and rub that in. I think that matches pretty well. I think the color in person, the color's slightly off, but you know, blended in, it seems to do pretty good. So I think that's going to work for me, and I'm excited to be trying that. Alright, so the next thing we got here is some lashes. These are Lushaholic Luxury Lashes, and they're real, I swear, and these retail for $14.99. That is what they look like here. And it says these are 100% silk lashes created on a lightweight soft cotton band that'll leave your eyes loving you, made with a light crisscross pattern and a tapered ends for a natural glam look. So these do look pretty natural looking. Let me take it out so I can get a close up of it. There we go. Can you see that? Can you see kind of on the edge there? They do look like they're gonna look pretty natural, and I actually like that because I'm more likely to wear them than if they weren't, because I get a lot of lashes that I pretty much just use for some of the looks that I do, but I don't actually wear out in public because honestly I just don't wear lashes on a regular day. I think it's a little weird to wear them all day every day. Okay, next item we have here is QMS Meaty Cosmetics Lip Line Correction, formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. Lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles. This high performance lightweight serum is especially designed to hydrate and plump your lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. This retails for $200. I'm not sure that I actually believe that, but possibly, but that is what that looks like. So let me see what this says here. I'm curious to how to use this. Let's see, lightweight serum. Doesn't say how often you use this, but it's gonna go straight on my counter because I am at an age where my lips do bleed a little bit, so if this can help eliminate some of that, I am definitely going to try that and use that and see if it's any good. The next item I have here is Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. an extra lengthening, extra volumizing, extra bold mascara with a tapered dual fiber wand that defines and coats each and every lash with an ultra black velvety smooth formula. And this retails for $24. Now I'm not going to actually open this up. I will take it out of the box so you can see it, but I'm not going to open this up yet because I'm trying to get through a bunch of already opened mascaras, and I don't want to have any more open than I already have. But that is what the container looks like. I think that's really pretty, very sleek looking. Now I don't know much about their formula for mascara, but I do know that they have really good falsy lashes, so there's that. Alright, the last thing I got is the Touch and Soul Fill Up Orange Eyeshadow Palette. It says, combine your love with strong color and glamorous glitter in the newest eyeshadow palette from Touch and Soul. Get 9 different shades in matte and glitter, perfect for creating versatile looks. These eyeshadows are non-creasing and glide onto lids smoothly and easy application and long-lasting wear. And this is supposed to retail for $32. I ain't gonna lie, I actually wanted this. This is what the inside looks like, and I will of course at some point do a first impressions try on of this. But I actually wanted this because this is a Korean beauty brand, which means it's not gonna wear like American eyeshadow. It's gonna be different. Their eyeshadows, their makeup looks tend to be more soft and neutral and tend to make you look more youthful, whereas in ours is bold and we tend to want ours to stick out. So I just really wanted that to play with, to really compare, and believe it or not, sometimes I do want a soft natural look. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this and be right back. Okay, so this is everything swatched, and as you can see, they're more peachy colors than orange, which would make sense considering it's a K-beauty brand. And I think they're really pretty. They swatched really nicely. I'm not sure how I feel about anything else about the formula at this point, but I do feel like this is a really pretty palette, and I don't have any other thoughts on it, but like I said, it's swatched beautifully. Anyways, that is it of my base box from BoxyCharm. Let me know if you had a favorite product in this. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.